guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a Q&A on being a stay-at-home mom. So I've been asked over on my Instagram by a subscriber, shout out to you, to do a video of some tips and also what's it like as being a stay-at-home mommy, and I was more than glad to go ahead and do a video such as this. Actually, I've been planned on going to do a video such as talk to you guys about being a stay-at-home mommy and what's it like, how it is being at home, and the challenges, and oh my goodness guys, the absolute reward of being a stay-at-home mom. So I already have the questions that was asked on my Instagram. I asked over my followers and also subscribers to comment on my picture over my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle for you guys in the description box down below to check it out, and of the questions that they wanted to ask me. So I have all the questions here in this cute little planner / journal that I got from Target, and I'm excited to tell you guys everything that was like as being a stay-at-home mom. But I want to say first that even though my life as a stay-at-home mom is great for me, just don't kind of take it as Paris life as being a stay-at-home mom is this and it's that, maybe my life as a stay-at-home mom could be like that. No, everyone's situation is different as in terms of being a stay-at-home mom. So I just want to make it clear that just don't kind of look at my life as a stay-at-home mom and expect the same, if not none other results at all as being a stay-at-home mom. So I just want to make it out there clearly, so don't want to come back bashing me being a stay-at-home mom, it's not always this and that. I get it, you guys. I go through it too. So that is why I'm making this video. But I'm done rambling. Let's just go ahead and get into the questions, you guys. So the first question that I was asked is, how is my life as a stay-at-home mom? Well, my life as a stay-at-home mom is great. I love being home with Pharaoh, you guys know that. But yeah, being at home with my son, I get to see him grow. I'm able to teach him things. I have a degree in education, and also I have a degree in psychology. So, I'm not afraid. I won't say afraid. I will say that, I would love to work, but it's just I'm a first-time mommy. I want to be at home with my son, and I don't have a problem with it. And I just feel like my current situation with my husband, I enjoy being at home. He's in the military, he's in the Navy, and I love being at home with my son. And I'm not just at home we're living the life, but it's I am teaching my son, his math, ABCs, sensory development, all that other great stuff that he would do as if he went to a daycare. But yeah, that is what my life is just basically, just seeing my son grow, taking care of him, feeding him, changing his diapers, the usual, so it's not, anything we're living the life, like I said. But yeah, that's how my life is as a stay-at-home mom. What does your husband do for work? I just said he's in the Navy. He's currently overseas. So yeah. How long have you been a stay-at-home mom? I've been a stay-at-home mom for now a year. Because Pharaoh just turned a year last Monday, so it hasn't been that long. But yeah, any challenges you've had as a stay-at-home mom just in general? I would have to say being tired a lot. You wake up for the day, be this is the schedule, this is what we're gonna get done. I'm gonna do laundry today, then we're gonna have music time for Pharaoh at such time. He's gonna take a nap right on time. I'm able to relax, I'm able to make calls and errands. And so for me, I'm such a definite planner that for me it is hard to accept that things are not going to always go as planned accordingly, because I'm definitely a planner. I have a planner, so it's it kind of throws me off when things don't go into a schedule. And it's definitely being a stay-at-home mom and just a mom in general, everything's not going to go as right as planned as what you have scheduled. So I think for me that's one of the challenges. I think another is also when you're just feeling like, you know, you want to do certain things, but then it's like, you know, we just done that. So honestly, you guys, Pharaoh and I, we go to Target legit like every other day, whether it's like window shopping or we actually buy stuff. But in this case, we actually buy stuff that we don't really need. But it's like, you know, just finding stuff to do while you have like your friends and like family at work and stuff like that. Like, that's another challenge, I guess I would say. Not really a challenge, but it's just like something that you're not really like used to or whatever. So I would say that's it. But definitely the main challenge for me is have to accept that things are not going to go as planned, as scheduled. So that's definitely a challenge for me. Do you have any flaws as being a stay-at-home mom? I mean, like I said, I don't really do my hair every day. I don't really do my makeup every day like I used to before I became a mom. Like, this year is makeup free. Like, you know, I was contemplating if I wanted to do my makeup just for the purpose of this video. And I was like, no, you know, I want you guys to see the real me as being a stay-at-home mom. Like, this shirt here is a sleep shirt that I got from Target. So, I mean, it's an oversized one. You guys seen it. And well, you guys will see it in my vlog coming up that I'll post on Thursday, if not Thursday, Sunday. But yeah, this is a sleep shirt. Like, you know, I want to give you with some leggings, but I want to give you guys like the real, true, honest me as a stay-at-home mom. Because, you know, and it's not saying that, you know, even if I did put my makeup on and did my hair all nice and everything like that, like, you know, I'm not, you know, I guess in terms like not giving y'all the real me as a stay-at-home mom, but it's just like, you know, honestly, like I really didn't want to do my makeup for this video, you know. Now as a mom, I love makeup. Oh my goodness, guys, I love makeup. It's like I just hate taking all the process, my process and regimen of making sure I take all of my makeup all complete off my face. You know, it's a process. It's a lot of time, and I get tired, and it's like I don't even want to take it off sometimes, but I am, because it's like, you know, I'm very detailed in my skincare. So, you know, I wanted you guys to see the real me as a stay-at-home mom. Do you plan on going back to work? You know, like I said, like I have the option to always go back to work. You know, being a stay-at-home mom doesn't necessarily mean like, you know, you have to stay at home and, you know, watch and, you know, be with your kids your whole entire life. I mean, stay-at-home moms can also work too, whether it's from home, YouTube, or just deciding going back to work, whether it's full-time or part-time. But like I said, you know, I'm always up for going back to work, but I honestly just love being at home with my son. So yeah. Now that you're a stay-at-home mom, do you plan on doing YouTube full-time? I would have to say I would love to do YouTube full-time. I mean, I would have to say, like, when Pharaoh was a little like younger, like 3 to 5 months when I first started my channel, it was kind of hard because it was more of, you know, feeding him, changing him, and everything like that, tending to him more towards how, like, now he's a year old, I could put him in like his little playpen activity area and still be in the room with him and tend to him and watch him and care for him and everything like that, and, you know, make phone calls, check on emails, and, you know, relax just on the bed for like a few minutes, you know. So I would love to do YouTube full-time. I really would love to. So it's like, that's why I'm like, I just want you guys to know that all my videos, everything I do here on my channel is what I love to do and want you guys to see my actual life. And, you know, I would love to do YouTube full-time so you guys can actually see Pharaoh and I and our lives and everything like that full-time. So yeah, so like I said, I think I am decided on to do YouTube full-time. So now that I have the time and a little bit more energy too. So okay, next question is the same question as I asked before. What is your daily life as a stay-at-home mom? So I plan on doing a video of this soon for you guys to check out here on the channel. But basically, Pharaoh and I, we get up like around like 6:40, 7 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll get breakfast started, and then we'll watch, like, you know, the news or something like that, whatever program Pharaoh likes to watch, and then we'll get dressed for the day, and then like around 11, I'll go ahead and have Pharaoh ready for his lunch, and then we'll have his reading time, and then I'll get him ready for his nap time around 12:30 to 2:30, 3 o'clock. And then while he is napping, that is when I take some time off for myself, whether it's just reading, checking on emails, making phone calls and everything like that, even maybe just watching a little bit of TV during his nap time. And then of course, like, he'll have, you know, wake up from his nap, he'll have a snack, and then we'll have playtime, I guess, whether it's music and movement, crafts during the afternoon, and then evening time we get ready for bedtime, and then we have story time, and then yeah, it's bedtime around like 8, around 7:30 to 8. So that is my daily life as a stay-at-home mom, you guys. Question, oh my gosh, it's like a lot of questions that I wasn't really thought I was gonna really get. Do you have any friends that are also stay-at-home moms as you? I would have to say, like, I really don't have any friends that are like stay-at-home moms. For the most part, maybe out of like my friends and like acquaintance circle, I think it's just maybe one that's a stay-at-home mom, honestly. Yeah, just one friend. But yeah, most of my friends are either working or they're not moms at all. So yeah. Would you like to meet, collaborate with other stay-at-home moms? Yes, I would love to meet with other stay-at-home moms, collaborate here on YouTube and everything like that with other stay-at-home moms. But with that being said, if you are a stay-at-home mommy and you're subscribed to my channel, or if you are watching this video and you would like to collaborate, I do have my business acquirer email in the description box also for you to check out and send me an email so we can talk about some collaborations and everything like that. Or you can even simply comment over my Instagram, send me a DM, or comment on this video. But yeah, I know, like, on Facebook I am a part of the stay-at-home mom group on Facebook that I think my friend that's a stay-at-home mom also, the only friend that I have that is a stay-at-home mom is also a part of. So yeah, but I haven't technically met like any like around my area or anything like that, but I would like to, you know. So yeah, what is the ups and downs of being a stay-at-home mom? But kind of saying similar to like the question about like any challenges. I mean, the ups, I mean, you're home, you're with your child, you know that you're taking care of your child, you know, whether it's feeding, changing diapers, playing with them, watching them grow, learning with them, and just overall being there with your child, like, every single minute. Downs is, I mean, I know for me, like, I don't really have a lot of friends, so it's like, in general, I don't really like have a great social life, I guess. I mean, like, and even with my friends, like, I only have maybe like 12 friends, and it's like, you know, a few of them are moms, and then they're working and they're single, they're not married. Some are married, so it's like with no kids. So it's like, you know, we will text each other like from time to time just to check on each other. But then it's like, you know, when it's like one will want to plan something and invite, it's like, yeah, like, you know, I don't know about that, because it's like, you know, either I will have to bring Pharaoh, or, you know, Pharaoh will have to stay here with my mom, and I really don't want to go because, like, I don't like leaving Pharaoh. So I mean that will probably be one of the downs about, is like, you know, it's kind of hard now that, you know, just kind of associating yourself with like other stay-at-home moms, you know, because it's just like, no, like, it would be something different if it was like when I was younger, like a baby, like in the 90s, and my mom and her girlfriends were stay-at-home moms, and we would have play dates all the time and go to each other's houses and everything like that. Like, that is something that I would love to do with like other stay-at-home moms, but like, it's a different world, it's a different time, and it's like, people are working, people are busy, and, you know, so I think that's like the only downfall, is like just like your social skills are like deteriorated. So yeah, I feel like the only time I really have a conversation with anyone is like whoever I meet at Target like, or Starbucks. So yeah. Is being a stay-at-home mom boring? No. No, I mean, I wouldn't really say it. I mean, you do have a lot of time on your hands, but I would never say it's boring. Would you advise other moms to be a stay-at-home mom? I mean, I would never tell another mom what to do in the sense of like, you know, you don't need to work, why don't you be a stay-at-home mom? Because again, like I stated in the beginning of this video, everyone's life is different, and you know, women don't necessarily have to be a stay-at-home mom. I mean, women can be working moms, women can just be women. I mean, like I said, like being a stay-at-home mom is a wonderful like thing to be. But it's like, you know, it's nothing wrong with being a working mom. It's nothing wrong with being, you know, a woman, a single woman, a married woman with no kids. It don't matter, like, you know. But I mean, in terms of, if you know this is what, you know, you would love to do, go for it. Be a stay-at-home mom. But just ensure that, you know, your life is, I guess, in a sense, like, prepared to be a stay-at-home mom. I guess in a sense that, but I mean, you know, I am one of the type of mothers and a woman to, you know, for women equality, and, you know, definitely would say that, you know, women don't necessarily have to be something because I am or she is or this person. No. But yeah. Do you relate to other stay-at-home moms? Not necessarily. I mean, I do. I do relate to some moms. I guess like the stay-at-home moms that I watch on YouTube. Like just with a few things, but not necessarily like everything. So yeah. Last question is, why did you choose to be a stay-at-home mom? I chose to be a stay-at-home mom because it was my decision. Again, I'm a first-time mommy, and you know, for me in general, I just love being around my son. I love watching him smile and grow and laugh and play and learn, and it's just like, when I have to go to the doctors, I'm like, I don't want him to leave me. I don't want to leave him. So it's such a warming like feeling to be at home with your child, knowing that your child is safe with you, and you know, you're there to see every waking moment with your child. So yeah, that is why I decided to be a stay-at-home mom. You know, I want to be a mom. That's it. I want to be a mom. You know, I love being a mom. You know, I love being a mom. I love saying that. So that is why I decided to be a stay-at-home mom. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. If you have any more questions about being a stay-at-home mom, like I said, you guys can DM me over my Instagram, comment on this video or anything like that, email me your questions or thoughts or whatever. I would definitely love to chat with you guys. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.